This is a Washington Rotating Model 1420 setup. This model uses an 11-inch 3M bottom flange, so we'll be installing an R53 ring gasket. First you'll line up the bolt holes in the flanges and install the appropriate size studs and nuts. These will be torqued in a star pattern to maintain an even seal. This is our Model 1400 Shorty bearing. It uses a bolt-on style stripper rubber. To install this rubber, we will line up the bolt holes in the rubber flange, then hand tighten the socket head screws. After that, we will torque them down again in a star pattern to maintain an even seal. Once they're torqued, we're going to use safety wire to retain the bolts. We're going to do this in a 3-bolt pattern, so you're going to have 3 groups of 3. Thread the wire through the bolt heads, then twist the wire together and tighten it all down. Next, we'll install the bearing into the bowl. On all our bearings, there is a stop lug on the front by the oil port. This needs to be in the front of the clamp. There's a space between the clamp halves that this lug will sit in to keep the bearing from being able to spin. Be sure the oil port is facing forward in the clamp. Once it's lined up, we'll close the swing bolt. And it's very important to maintain proper torque here. This needs to be tightened using a torque wrench, and the setting is 200 foot-pounds. Next, we will attach the oil line to the lubrication port on the front of the bearing. This is a simple press fit connection. Once the oil line is attached, we will attach the rig air supply to the lubricator, being sure that the regulator is set to 30 psi. After that, the rotating control head is ready to be put into use. Next, we're going to demonstrate a routine maintenance item, replacing a bowl seal. In order to do this, you will need to remove the bearing. There are 2 clamp stops behind on each side of the clamp. These will need to be removed to provide better access to the bowl seal area. Once those are removed, the clamp can open to its full width. A tool such as a screwdriver or a pick will be used to remove the old seal, scraping away any debris if necessary. Once the seal is removed, it may be necessary to clean the bowl seal area with a wire brush to make installation of the new seal easier. Start the new bowl seal at one edge, being sure to tuck it into the groove. There's a lip at the top it'll need to be placed under. And then start working around from a center point with a ball-peen hammer. That's how you install bowl seal. Be sure to regularly grease the hinge pin Zerk fitting on top of the pin. We hope this has helped in your understanding of rotating control heads and their setup. For further information, please visit washingtonrotating.com or give us a call at 724-228-8889.